Probably the most commonly asked question about exam is, will I be able to pass if I start now? Exams are stressful, and that's the good thing because it pushes us away from laziness and gets us to work. But what if you are overstressed about it? What if you haven't studied much the entire year? Will you be able to pass? I was never a bookworm in my life, and really trust me, it doesn't really help also. So in this video, I will share my rigorous but stressless 2-month routine that helped me become my university rank holder in my final year BDS. Coming up after this intro. Oh, hi. So you clicked on this video because you want to learn something related to dentistry. Well, you are on the right place. I am Dr. Hina, the voice and soul behind Dr. Teeth. And this is the platform where we make learning interesting and incredibly easy for you. So do leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I will recommend you to join channel membership to watch our premium videos. You can also visit our website for online classes, courses, MCQs. So let's get started. As soon as the dates are out, we don't know where to start from. Frankly speaking, many of us just are not sure whether it's worth trying to cover the syllabus or just give up because they feel up to kuch nahi ho sakta. Even I thought the same initially. So first, let's deal with this. Will we be able to pass if we just have a limited time and a huge syllabus? The answer is simply yes. No, that's not my overconfidence, that's a positivity and we need it for a good start. If you're thinking you won't be able to do it, trust me, you won't. So the only way to get it done is to first believe that you can do it. That's the internal motivation, aka self-motivation. So if you're looking for external motivation at this time, let me be very clear. It is short-lived and cannot be relied upon. What we need is discipline, persistence, and a solid strategy. So these are the 3 key things you need to succeed. Starting with discipline, I made a tough but systematic schedule. वैसे तो बहुत मुश्किल से schedule follow करती हूँ, but exam time is such a time where we tend to get disciplined, right? So my break time and study time was strictly fixed. Simply put, I studied entire day and night except for 4-5 hours sleep, eat break, at least 2 30 minutes power nap in a day, 10 to 15 minutes break whenever I feel, too saturated. I gave myself a bit of relaxation for the sleep timings because I knew that I can be oversaturated, so I need to take a nap that time. Don't force yourself to stay awake and study if you're feeling sleepy. Trust me, sleep that time. That is the time to sleep. You won't learn anything that time. So let me break it this way. I had 8 subjects in 2 months, and that makes 4 subjects a month. That is 7 to 8 days for a subject. Not to forget that few subjects are actually 2 subjects like endo cons, OM radio. Then my favorite subjects were prostho and oral surgery, and endo ortho were too easy for me, so I had to devote less time to these. So I kept 6 days for OS and prostho each, 3 days each for endo and ortho, so 18 days for these 4 subjects. So I managed to save 12 days out of 1 month, and I still have 30 days from the second month. I straight away removed the last week for revision for the first exam obviously. So now I have 35 days in hand, and I hated community. Plus it required a lot of cramming, so I gave more time to it. I combined community with the lighter subject. For me it was oral medicine. So obviously because I cannot study community the entire day, so I divided community and oral medicine, like half day community, half day oral medicine. So 12 days were devoted for community plus oral medicine. Then we have 23 days left. Then I had 23 days left. So conservative was given 5 days, pedo 6 days, pedio 6 days. Okay. So now 6 days were left. So I gave 2 days to radio, 2 days to LA. I just studied the important topics in these. I still had 2 days spare just in case a subject needed more time devotion. Okay. So you can modify this strategy as per your need and preparation. If you have prepared a subject well, you can devote lesser time and so on, right? I now knew how much time is there for each subject. Now, how do I study in such a way that I forget less? There are various methods and each person has his own method. I had my own method. So here comes my secret. Remember 3R. Read, repeat, revise. So what I did was discuss and read. I was on call the entire 2 months, more than 15 hours a day studying with my friend. Yes, we do exist. Secondly, I wrote all the things I can forget on my arm. Seriously, I read it whenever I took a break. On my hand it was written, okay? And morning 30 minutes quick revision was done. Like whatever I studied the previous day, I used to revise it the next day. 30 minutes in the morning. Just a quick, brush up of what I had studied the previous day. Then I put page markers or important topics because I will be revising them, in the gaps between the exam. Only important topics I used to revise. Then I used to visualize and make little diagrams in my textbook so that whenever I revised, I can have a, clear picture of whatever I was imagining in my mind about the topic. Oh, and you guys are lucky because you have Dr. Teeth before you can even open your textbook. I did not have Dr. Teeth that time. If you don't have a phone or friend, you can teach yourself, speak loud and study, record your voice and study. The mere realization that my voice is being recorded helped me to concentrate on my studies. So find out what works the best for you and apply that. Sleeping is very important. 4 or 5 hours is a must, although I would suggest that it's better if you take 6 hours of sleep. And whenever you feel too saturated or you are studying and you're not able to understand it, take a short nap. Power nap is very important and it really helps. Try it and tell me, okay? How well you can present your answer in the exam is more important than how well you know. So if you want to know how to present your answers in exam, let me know in the comment section below and I will share a sample answer format that will help you gain more marks. Also comment below what strategy works the best for you and share it among the students so that they can benefit. Before you exit this video, take a A4 size paper and write discipline, persistence, and I can do it and stick it wherever you study. It will work as a motivation, trust me. All the best for your exams. Do share your exam results on my Instagram page. I will be waiting to see you all pass with flying colors with very good marks. So I will see you in the next video. Take very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.